Hello everyone, this is Jeff with Theme Park Insider.
Hello, this is Colton.
And today we're in Kentucky Kingdom riding Flying Fox, the new Vekoma family suspended coaster.
This has a wheel lift hill that's about 65 feet tall and only has one drop. That drop gives you just enough speed for the rest of the coaster. So,
here we go.
And when you drop, you hit immediately go to the front of the park and hit the footprint, and you do an over 90-degree bank, and then you hit another 90-degree bank going into a helix.
Woo!
And then you do another 90-degree, go under the path and back to the station. That was a good coaster. What do you think?
That's a great coaster. It's got a little tiny footprint, but it packs a punch for as small as it is. This is a great addition to the park.
Honestly, I think it's a good coaster for people who are just experiencing the new coasters.
Excellent. Great.